The screen of your iPhone 17 Pro Max is protected by the new Ceramic Shield 2, which is crazy strong and scratches at level 8. But there's no harm in adding an extra layer of protection by applying a screen protector on your iPhone 17. And the most important is making sure your hand is not greasy or has dust on it, and also the surface that you're gonna work on is as much dust-free as possible. The less airflow, the better. Now grab your screen protector, take it off the packaging, and should come with a screen wipe and a microfiber cloth or a dry wipe. You can also use your own alcohol pad and microfiber cloth. And what you need to clean is your iPhone's screen. So first wipe it with the alcohol pad, then take out the fresh microfiber cloth or a dry cloth and wipe it thoroughly so there's no speck of dust. Your screen protector may also have some stickers to remove any excess dust that's still left on. Now it's very important that you don't pick up the microfiber cloth or the alcohol pad after you have put it on a dusty surface. Now that you have wiped it, we need to start applying the screen protector right away before any dust lands onto the screen again. And a pro tip for alignment is putting something bright on the screen so that you can easily align the screen protector with the screen. So I'll just bring up the settings menu, and I've made sure to extend the lock screen time. Now, peel off the protector's protective layer. Then for alignment, either choose the bottom part or the top part. After you have made sure they're parallel, look from the top and make sure that both sides are equidistant and parallel as well. Then slowly lower the protector, try not to drop it, and lower it as much as possible while still making sure that both sides are parallel and it doesn't slip up. When you have lowered it enough, press on the top, which will lock it in place, and you'll notice the protector's adhesive will start to stick to the screen. So what you gotta do is assist it using your thumb like this by swiping left to right, or you can also use a fresh cloth to do it. Just keep wiping it until you reach the bottom, and this way push out any air that's left behind. After you have dropped it in, make sure the alignment is okay and it isn't protruding from any side. Now this may not be perfect in the first try, and it may have been misaligned, or there may be some dust bubbles left behind. But don't freak out. In this case, make sure your hands are clean again and bring a fresh pair of microfiber cloth or alcohol pad. Now just use your fingernail to lift the protector up from the bottom or the area closest to the dust or the bubbles. As soon as the bubble dissolves, just start lowering it again and push out the bubbles. If there's small amount of bubbles, you can just put some pressure on them and move your finger around, and this will dissolve the bubble. But in case you have dust, then while lifting up the screen protector, you'll either need to wipe it using the microfiber cloth or the dust collecting sticker. Again, make sure there's no dust in any of the tools. After you're done, you'll probably be able to align it better this time, then just follow the same procedure and apply it back. And now you can see there's no misalignment, and if I turn off the screen, you can see there's no bubble or dust left behind. And that's how you apply a screen protector on your iPhone 17. Let us know if this helped you out, and I'll see you around.